So I've been looking around the market for a little while now, looking for some wireless Bluetooth AirPod killers, and I just may have found them. Stay tuned. What's up guys, it's your boy DJ Avionics back with another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look and unboxing the MPOW M30 wireless Bluetooth earbuds from Amazon. Link is down below in the description. Now I've been looking for a while now for some wireless Bluetooth earbuds that are not the price of AirPods. Now I have a Samsung Note 10 Plus, so I mean AirPods could work, you know, technically with Bluetooth and all, but I ain't about to drop $130 on some earbuds. So I came across these MPOW M30 on Amazon for $35, but there's a 20% coupon right now, as of now, that knocks off about $7. From what I've read, the dock has about 20 hours charge time, which means the earbuds can play for 5 hours, so you can charge the earbuds itself for about 4 times, which is pretty amazing. And from what else I've read, it's all supposed to have great immersive bass sound to it. You can listen to it in stereo or in mono. So if you're just using one earbud, it'll be in mono, and then either earbud. And then if you use both, it'll play in stereo, obviously. And this is waterproof too, for people who like to work out, sweat-proof. Alright, so here we go. Let's go over to the small things first. So these are the ear fins that attach to the earbud. That way they fit into your ear hole better. And it has 2 sizes. Looks like those 2 are the smaller, those are the mediums. This looks to be the earbuds itself. It comes with, it looks like it comes with quite a bit of earbuds here. So we have 2 small, 3 medium, and I guess 2 large. We got ourselves a USB-C charging cable. It's only about less than a foot long. That's what she said. And we have our auto pairing setup guide. We've got send an email to warranty@xmpow.com for a little warranty, and then a user manual. Alright, so here's the dock. So once you open it, it already turns on. Alright, and then we have our, one's the right, one's the left earbud. It's blinking. Alright, so it has ear fins already on them. So right away, I like the fact that it has all the different sizes, small, medium, large, a lot of medium replacements, 2 different sizes for the ear fins, and it says with the Type-C USB cable, you can charge the dock in 1.5 hours, that's pretty amazing. So according to the instructions, the front LED, it can also tell you how much battery life is in there. If it's red, it's 0 to 35% battery life. If it's purple, it's 35 to 75% battery life. And if it's blue, then it's 75 to 100% battery life. Right now we're at blue, so we've got a lot of power already. I like how compact and small the charging case is. Fits right in your hand. And then putting them in the dock. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up with my Samsung Note 10 Plus phone. Once you open up the case, the earbuds will turn on and they will flash red and white, meaning they are in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and take my Samsung Note 10 Plus, go to the Bluetooth, and we should be able to just pick them up right away. There we go, MPOW M30. Click on it, pairing. Pair request, okay. And then they blinked white twice, and now they are paired. So let's go ahead and try these on. So right now I have the medium earbud tips, as I mentioned. Now I know what AirPods sound like because my wife has them. Oh wow, they're already on. I already have music ready. Now as far as the touch controls, everything is the same except for volume control. So to turn the volume up, you press and hold the right earbud and it'll slowly increase. And then to turn down the volume, whoa, that's loud. You press and hold the left earbud, and it'll slowly decrease. There we go. So if you want to play or pause, tap once. To skip a track, you actually double tap on the right one. To go back a track, you double tap on the left earbud. To answer a call, simply double tap on either earbud and then double tap again to end the call. If your annoying ex is calling and you need to reject that call right away, press and hold on either earbud for 1 second. And then to activate Siri or Google Assistant, triple tap one of the earbuds. But yeah, these sound really good. I'm listening to some hip hop right now and I can hear the bass kicks, the snares, I hear the highs, the mids, the bass, and it has a nice fit inside my ear. The mediums are definitely the ones for me to use. And I have used AirPods before because my wife has AirPods for her iPhone 11 phone, and I don't like how they just dangle. They feel loose and they just, at times they just slip on out. But these, with the rubber ear tips and the ear fins, they really just hook into your ear. So you just put them in and then twist them forward, and then they basically stay in your ear. So do I consider the MPOW M30 wireless Bluetooth earbuds AirPod killers? I do. For a fraction of the cost, at around $36, it's got great sound. It comes with different size tips and ear fins. You can recharge your earbuds 4 to 5 times on a single charge of the dock. It's got USB Type-C. Fast charging of the dock is 1.5 hours. These are definitely AirPod killers. I highly recommend these. Once again, I have my Amazon affiliate link down below. Another cool thing about these MPOW M30s is if you lose one of these earbuds, you simply have to purchase one or the other to replace it. You don't have to buy the whole thing all over again. The price to replace just one earbud is only $20, and I'll have an Amazon link also down below. So yes, the MPOW M30s are avionics approved. If you enjoyed watching my video, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button. Leave any comments or questions down below and I'll get back to them ASAP. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified of future content like this. Alright guys, I'm DJ Avionics. See you next time.